Welcome back to the channel, where we break down the latest and greatest in electric trucks. Today, we're talking about one of the boldest entries into the EV off-road segment, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado EV Trail Boss. This is no ordinary electric pickup. Chevy has taken its proven Trail Boss formula and electrified it for a new era of off-road adventure. Previously reserved for the gas-powered Silverado in Colorado, the Trail Boss now makes its EV debut, packing more tech, torque, and trail capability than ever before. What's new? Nearly everything: a factory 2-inch lift, 35-inch all-terrain tires, custom-tuned coil suspension with hydraulic rebound control, and Chevy's exclusive Sidewinder mode that lets the truck move diagonally like a crab. Yes, you heard that right. This truck isn't just about rugged looks. Underneath, it's pure engineering muscle. With the max range battery pack, you're getting up to 725 horsepower and a massive 775 lb-ft of torque. That translates to 12,500 pounds of towing capacity and 2,100 pounds of payload, more than enough to haul your gear, trailer, or whatever adventure demands. Low-speed terrain control is enhanced by a Trail Boss exclusive terrain mode, giving you sharper four-wheel steer and increased torque management over uneven ground. Whether you're rock crawling, mudding, or maneuvering through city parking, this truck adapts in real time. And it doesn't just perform, it looks the part. The Trail Boss trim features a unique high-angle front fascia, bold exterior badging, red front tow hooks, and rugged 18-inch wheels wrapped in aggressive tires. Inside, you get a customized cabin with integrated auxiliary switches for added accessories, plus Chevy's signature 17.7-inch center infotainment screen and an 11-inch driver info display, now standard across all trims. Chevy also brought smarter tech to the table. The Silverado EV Trail Boss includes Super Cruise with hands-on assist, improved Google Maps integration, adaptive cruise control that adjusts to posted speed limits, and hands-free towing support. It's off-road confidence paired with highway comfort. Range anxiety? Not here. The Trail Boss still benefits from the Silverado EV's electric backbone. You can expect DC fast charging and off-board power output up to 10.2 kilowatts, ideal for campsites or powering your worksite tools. With a starting price just under $55,000, the Silverado EV Trail Boss joins the work truck and LT trims, replacing the outgoing RST launch model. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a daily commuter craving utility with a twist, this all-electric Trail Boss is ready to redefine what a truck can be. So, what do you think? Has Chevy built the ultimate electric off-roader? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electric truck coverage.